When it comes to replacing your door, the choice of material plays a major role in how well it performs, looks, and lasts over time. Homeowners in East Northport have unique needs, ranging from energy efficiency and weather resistance to curb appeal and security. Understanding the pros and cons of each door material helps you make a decision that balances beauty, durability, and value. Wood doors. Timeless beauty with classic appeal. Wood has been the traditional favorite for front doors for centuries, and for good reason. A solid wood door offers unmatched aesthetic appeal, warmth, and versatility. You can customize it with different stains, finishes, and carvings to match your East Northport home's architectural style, whether it's a cozy cottage or a modern colonial. However, wood doors require regular maintenance. East Northport experiences both humid summers and cold winters, which can cause natural materials like wood to expand and contract. Without proper sealing, this could lead to warping or cracking. If you value beauty and tradition, a high-quality, treated wood door can be a great investment, but be ready for occasional refinishing. Best for homeowners seeking elegance and natural charm. Maintenance level: moderate to high. Steel doors. Strength and security combined. If security is your top priority, steel doors are an excellent choice. They're known for their durability, impact resistance, and affordability. Many modern steel doors come with an insulated core that enhances energy efficiency, perfect for keeping your East Northport home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. While steel doors are low maintenance compared to wood, they can be prone to dents or scratches, which might lead to rust if not promptly repaired. Still, with the right coating and finish, they can mimic the look of wood while offering better protection. Best for those prioritizing security, affordability, and energy savings. Maintenance level: low. Fiberglass doors. Durable and versatile fiberglass doors are becoming increasingly popular among East Northport homeowners. They combine the best of both worlds, offering the elegant look of wood with the low maintenance of synthetic materials. Resistant to dents, rust, and warping, fiberglass doors perform exceptionally well in fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. Many fiberglass options are filled with insulating foam, making them extremely energy efficient, a key advantage in East Northport's variable climate. Plus, they're available in a wide range of colors and finishes, including wood grain textures that look convincingly authentic. Best for homeowners seeking durability, style, and low upkeep. Maintenance level: very low. Aluminum doors. Modern and lightweight aluminum doors are sleek, lightweight, and corrosion resistant, often used for modern or contemporary homes. They're particularly great for patio or storm doors due to their strength and minimal maintenance needs. The anodized or painted finish prevents rust, and they handle coastal moisture relatively well. However, aluminum is a good conductor of heat, meaning it can lose or gain heat quickly. To address this, look for thermal break aluminum doors that include insulation layers, making them more suitable for East Northport's seasonal temperature swings. Best for contemporary homes or patio entrances. Maintenance level: low. Vinyl doors. Budget-friendly and efficient. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, vinyl doors provide excellent insulation and resistance to moisture without a high price tag. They won't peel, warp, or rust, making them great for exterior doors in humid conditions. However, their design options are more limited compared to wood or fiberglass, and extreme heat can sometimes cause minor warping over time. Best for budget-conscious homeowners who want low maintenance efficiency. Maintenance level: very low. Making the right choice for your East Northport home. Your door is more than just an entryway. It's an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and curb appeal. Consider your priorities. For traditional aesthetics, choose wood. For top-tier security, opt for steel. For long-lasting performance, go with fiberglass. For a sleek modern touch, try aluminum. For affordability, select vinyl. Before making your final decision, consult a local door replacement expert in East Northport who can assess your home's architecture, exposure, and budget. The right material will not only enhance your home's look but also improve its energy efficiency and long-term value.